What is up, guys? This is Josh with Lead and Iron. I have a new video for you guys on the Grow With Me series. This time we're going to do a slight color grade and save it for future videos. So let's get started. Now, the first thing I want to do, create a bin, videos. I'm not going to have any other audio, so that's fine. I'll click in here, go to import media. I'm going to pick this one. I should have renamed it, but that's fine. So you're going to change the frame rate for us. So here's our video. Let's see it. Double click. Ooh, that is some loud audio. So on this video also we'll see how we can adjust this audio level. We're going to bring this to the timeline, and then we can see that the audio is really loud over here. Peaking, I mean. So as you can see, the audio is really loud over here. You can see that these high peaks are going to be extremely loud, especially if you're wearing headphones. So we can go just really quick over to edit, and as you float over your audio, you're going to see a couple arrows come up, so up and down, so you'll be able to bring those down. Welcome back, everyone. Still maybe a little loud. 10's probably going to be too low. Lead and Iron, and I told you that I would be, it was 5 before, presenting some tools that will help you edit faster in the long run. So our friends over at Blackmagic. It sounds good. Okay. So I'm okay with that. So now that we got that, okay, now let's say we want to cut everything, edit it what we needed, and now you want to add a color grade to it. So here is, you want to color grade your picture here. Not your picture, your video. So let's go, and you can play with this. You can even, I mean, you can go from, if you're more comfortable with color wheels, high definition, dark or light, you can go mixers. I just like using the bar graph. It's easier for me. Everyone's going to have their own style, so go with that, with what you're comfortable with. All right, just a little bit. You see how much of a difference this makes? Probably not the most flattering pause I've ever had, but hey. All right. Okay, so let's just, it looks, we're very gracious enough to send us this. That looks pretty good. I'd be happy with that. Go over to gallery. We're going to go to Power Grade 1. And this is one that I saved earlier. I can delete that so I can show you. So we'll go to Power Grade 1. And after that, you go right into your still, and you're going to right click. You're going to hit grab still. And now this color grade is saved under 1.1. So now you'll be able to apply this same color grade, since I have the same background, the same desk, and pretty much same lighting. I know that this color grade is going to look good on my future videos. I mean, I may tweak here and there, but it's not going to be very much. So I'll be able to apply this to other videos in the future. And that's one really cool trick that I believe helps and actually makes a lot better video. The one YouTuber that I saw uses this that actually made me open my eyes was Everyday Dad, and he was talking about how he can save the color grade, since he really does all his videos like in the same kind of little studio type. So it made me really think I should be able to do this. It'll save me time to play with. So like, to me, I can see that I like this color grade a lot better. Here we go. It makes sense to me. The audio sounds good. I know that. And I want to show you guys that we can apply it to other videos. So we'll take this timeline, we'll delete it. Take these videos, we'll delete it, and then we'll re-import it again. Oops, cancel, import media. All right, add it to the timeline. Go to the color grade. Apply
apply grade. We'll go back to it, and now our color grade has been applied. It's really that fast, I'm telling you guys. So from the moment that you import, you can just add your color grade right to your whole clip that you brought in, and you can see how big of a difference that is. And that's it. I just mess with it a little bit. This is not even like me taking the actual time I want to do it. So now that the color grade is applied, you can see it. And then I'm going to edit, and I'm going to bring this volume back down.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Josh with Lead and Iron.
And you see how much of a difference that made. It gave color to my face. It gave color to the table, and it brightened up the colors on the Blackmagic Design Speed Editor box. It just looks, I would say, 10 times better. This looks a little flat, and this looks more colorful. You can actually see that there's a big difference. It's clearer, it's nicer. So that's just 2 easy ways that you can make sure that your audio's fine, and then also mess with your color grading and save your color grading for future videos. If you like videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. This is a Grow With Me series, and I really hope that you guys are growing with me as well. For more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. The next video after this video I post is going to be, so it's going to be 2 videos from now. I'm going to post how a speed editor from Blackmagic Design will help you save so much time, especially when you're going in through and you're adding titles, you're adding, other sound effects, or even other effects in general, a background for your green screen, stuff like that. We'll show you in the next video how to do this. Add whatever background you need. So I really hope that you guys stay tuned. But anyway, guys, I gotta go because my back hurts.